Anyway, what do we got? What do we got? We've got it beautifully packed as usual, as you would expect from Bestarc.
Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, how are you going today? Another beautiful day on my side of the planet. Hey look, Christmas time early again for Pete and Pete's workshop. I got myself another Bestarc machine. This time I got the Generation 3 machine. So we'll rip open the box, we'll have a look at it and see what we get, eh? Yeehaw! Same as usual my friends, if you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day in the comments below, and let's get into it, eh? So let's see what you get for your money. I've got a few of these Bestarc machines now, my friends, and they're an awesome machine. Well, I think they are anyway. They're one of the best machines I've ever reviewed, so I can't help but keep buying the things. I want to see how they've evolved in their machine manufacture. They seem to be getting better and better and better all the time. But this is a 3rd generation machine, guys. So we've got the BTC 500DP 3rd generation. Now I've also got the 7th generation machine, and I think I've got a 1st generation machine, and none of them disappoint. Anyway, we'll see what you get for your money, eh? I love new tools. Don't you just love new tools, guys? It's awesome, eh? I reckon I could start a breeding program for plasma cutters. What do you reckon? Anyway, what do we got? What do we got? We've got it beautifully packed as usual, as you would expect from Bestarc. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Woohoo! Ooh, wow. Now that's a nice looking machine there, guys. Woohoo! Righty-o-ty. Oh, we've got the awesome big plug on the end of it as well. Stick them down there. We've got the box full of doodackies that you get with it. Everything you're going to need, bar the kitchen sink. Nothing else in there. We'll get rid of that, Pete. Right, let's open this sucker up and have a look, eh? Once again, guys, these machines come pre-wired for United States plug on the end there. Your big munting plug like so. We've even got a bit of plastic around the handle. That's pretty cool. So we'll get rid of him. I find these guys just take a little bit more extra care with the packaging and the design of their machines. This is starting to get into the touch control panel version. Awesome looking machine. Another thing with Bestarc, guys, is they have the water trap in the bottom here, and it's in a metal cage and you can't knock it off, and you don't have to pre-assemble it like a lot of other plasma cutters. You have to pre-assemble all this. This all comes all ready to go. You plug it in the mains, you plug your air in there, you put your torch in, and yeehaw, you're ready to cut some steel. Right, what do we get in the box of goodies that come with it? We get an air line, we get an earth lead, which looks like about a 3-meter length. We get the converter from 220 to 110, and there's a lot of machines you have to buy this separately. It's about $30 odd. This comes included in the kit. We have a couple of spare sets of consumables, some thread seal tape, and we have the awesome AG60P torch. Look at that, my friends. Isn't that a nice looking torch? Once again, of course, it's pilot arc, because it's a pilot arc machine. And this one here's got all the bells and whistles on it as well. I can't wait till we start cutting some stuff up with this, and we can give it a really good test. And this torch looks like it's about 3 meters as well, guys. And we have the Bestarc instruction manual. And some of the instruction manuals I've had are really shocking, guys. Some of them are just a laugh. But this one here, as per usual, I would say pretty awesome, and it's in English as well, so what more could you ask for, guys? So my friends, I own 3 of these machines now. Now this was the first one I ever brought, and this was really awesome. I gave this a really good review. It was one of the best machines that I had reviewed at that stage. This machine, I don't even know what generation this machine is, whether it's 1 or whether it's 2. This is my new machine here, which is Generation 3. As you can see here, guys, which we're going to put through its paces, and we're going to see exactly what it can cut. As you can see, guys, from the first machine here, we've got analog switches and dials here, to the Generation 3 machine here, which we've got 1 analog dial, plus now we've got Touchtronic up and down, plus we've got 2T, 4T, and PT, pilot arc functions, and it gives you an air cut option, all sorts of things. So we've jumped up 1 generation. Now if we look at this one here, this is the 7th generation machine, guys, and this has gone, basically we just got 1 analog knob here, and we've gone full digital with full digital readout and all sorts of other wonderful stuff like that. So it's pretty awesome how the generations have just moved up. So in the next video, guys, I'm going to run the Bestarc 3rd generation right through its paces, and we'll see what the baby can actually cut, eh? I would say the Bestarc brand is the best brand that I have reviewed so far. They actually do what they say they're supposed to do on the tin. By the way, guys, no one's paying me to say this either. I just tell it as I see it, guys. All these machines, from memory, are under 250 bucks, I think. I mean, that starts at about 229, I think, and I think this one's maybe 2 58 or something like that. And if you've just got your own workshop, these will do anything that you wanted them to do. Well, I think so anyway. Anyway, same as usual, guys. If you like my videos, remember to subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. If you want to know anything about these machines, just ask in the comments below. And the next video I do, we'll put this little baby here through its test. If you want to watch some more videos about plasma cutter reviews, check either side up there, guys, and I'll put some links up there for you. See you next time. Bye.
Pete'sTools.com.